Hey there, ever walked into a room and felt like everyone was drawn to just one person? That person is charismatic. And guess what? You can be that person too. Today, I'm diving into the secrets of charisma, sharing tips and tricks to make you the most magnetic person in any room. First up, eye contact. Think of it as the secret handshake of charisma. When you talk to someone, hold their gaze, not in a creepy stalker kind of way, but enough to show you're genuinely interested. It builds trust and makes the other person feel valued. Just remember to blink. You don't want to look like you're in a staring contest. Next, let's talk about body language. Stand tall, shoulders back, and relax. Open body language signals confidence and approachability. Crossed arms, that's a no-go. Unless you're cold, in which case, grab a jacket. Now onto the voice. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. No one likes to feel like they're listening to a racehorse announcer. Use pauses effectively. They add emphasis and give you time to think. Plus, silence can be powerful. Humor is another big one. A well-timed joke can break the ice and make you memorable. But, and this is a big but, know your audience. What's funny to you might not be funny to everyone. Avoid controversial topics. Stick to light and relatable humor. Think dad jokes. All right, let's not forget about listening. Charismatic people are great listeners. Show genuine interest in what others have to say. Nod, smile, and respond appropriately. Remember, it's not all about you. Engage in active listening and people will feel more connected to you. Also, be positive. Positivity is infectious. People are naturally drawn to those who uplift and inspire them. Share good news, compliment others, and keep the conversation light and optimistic. No one wants to be around a Debbie Downer. Finally, be authentic. The essence of charisma is genuineness. Don't try to be someone you're not. People can sense inauthenticity from a mile away. Embrace your quirks and let your true personality shine. So there you have it. Eye contact, body language, voice, humor, listening, positivity, and authenticity. Follow these tips and tricks and you'll be on your way to becoming the most charismatic person in any room. Remember, charisma isn't something you're born with. It's something you can develop and refine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. And hey, go out there and charm the world. Catch you in the next one.